Welcome back to Driven Dreams. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a familiar nameplate, but one that's taking a bold new step forward. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Golf Plus. Not just an evolution of the classic Golf, but a whole new take on what a compact, family-friendly vehicle can be in a world shifting rapidly toward electrification. Volkswagen is reimagining the Golf for a new generation, offering more space, more tech, and potentially more electric power, all without losing the soul that made the Golf a global icon. Designed to sit just below the Volkswagen Touran 7-seater MPV, the Golf Plus fills the sweet spot between hatchback agility and crossover practicality. Let's explore how this new model could become the perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and digital innovation. So, what exactly is the Golf Plus and why does it matter? Think of it as the Golf's smarter, roomier sibling. It's designed for drivers who love the compact nature of a hatchback but want extra headroom, a higher seating position, and a more spacious cabin, without jumping into the world of large SUVs or vans. The Golf Plus is about daily versatility. School runs, weekend trips, urban commutes, and even long-distance drives. This is a car built to do it all comfortably, while still slipping easily into city parking spaces. Step inside the 2026 Volkswagen Golf Plus, and you're greeted with a clean, high-tech interior that feels like a leap forward from previous Golf generations. Front and center is Volkswagen's newest digital cockpit, an elegant, curved design housing a fully digital driver's display alongside a 12-inch infotainment screen. Sitting above the center console is a 15-inch floating touchscreen, powered by the latest VW ID infotainment system. The system is highly customizable with widget-based tiles, real-time driving info, smart navigation, and voice assistant functionality that actually works. Need to set a route, control climate, or adjust audio? Just say the word. Voice interaction feels natural, and the system responds quickly, a big improvement over older versions. Ambient lighting, soft-touch dash materials, and ergonomic design choices create a space that's welcoming, intuitive, and smart, perfect for families and tech-savvy drivers alike. The Golf Plus is more than just a pretty interface. Underneath the surface lies an intelligent, connected ecosystem. Here's what you can expect. Over-the-air, OTA, updates to keep your systems fresh. Driver profiles stored in the cloud. Advanced safety suite including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and auto emergency braking. Full smartphone connectivity, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Optional augmented reality HUD, heads-up display, on higher trims. Volkswagen is investing heavily in digital infrastructure, and the Golf Plus is expected to benefit from its ID software architecture, ensuring it's not just a car for today, but one that's ready for tomorrow. One of the most obvious upgrades in the Golf Plus is space. Compared to the standard Golf hatchback, the Plus offers greater headroom, a taller seating position, and enhanced legroom, especially in the rear. That makes it ideal for families or anyone who appreciates a little extra breathing room. The higher stance also improves visibility from the driver's seat, a welcome bonus for urban drivers and taller passengers alike. Despite these changes, the Golf Plus maintains its compact footprint, ensuring it remains agile and easy to maneuver in tight spots. Cargo capacity is expanded as well, with a low load floor, split folding rear seats, and plenty of underfloor storage for strollers, sports gear, or groceries. Volkswagen has modernized the Golf Plus to align with its contemporary EV and hybrid design language, while keeping just enough DNA from the classic Golf lineage. At the front, the grille is more minimalist, particularly in electric or plug-in hybrid versions. Expect a slim LED lighting signature, VW's illuminated logo on select trims, and a smoother, more aerodynamic bumper profile. From the side, the raised ride height and extended roofline signal this car's purpose. More space and comfort without SUV bulk. Elegant body lines flow from sleek LED headlights to tail lights, creating a fluid, modern look. In the rear, connected LED taillights may feature a 3D light signature or animated sequences, a trend we've seen across Volkswagen's latest ID series. These details don't just look cool, they enhance visibility and brand identity, especially at night. While Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed every engine option for the 2026 Golf Plus, we expect a range of electrified powertrains that offer something for everyone. Here's what could be under the hood. Turbocharged petrol engines, efficient, refined, and ideal for traditionalists. Mild hybrid TSI 48V, improved stop/start performance and better fuel economy. Plug-in hybrid PHEV, with an expected electric-only range of over 100 kilometers, ideal for short commutes and weekend escapes. All-electric variant possible. If VW decides to push further into EV territory, a fully electric Golf Plus could emerge, likely sharing underpinnings with the ID series. All variants are expected to benefit from improved aerodynamics, regenerative braking, and low rolling resistance tires, ensuring great range and excellent fuel economy regardless of the powertrain. On the road, the Golf Plus aims to combine hatchback agility with crossover comfort. Thanks to its elevated stance and revised suspension, it promises a smoother ride over poor surfaces, better driver visibility, and reduced cabin noise. Even with added height and space, Volkswagen's commitment to driving dynamics remains intact. The steering is light but precise, body control is tight, and maneuverability is a highlight, especially in city environments. Drivers can expect multiple drive modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, which adjust throttle response, steering weight, and even suspension settings on higher-end models. Volkswagen's commitment to sustainability is clear. The 2026 Golf Plus is being designed with green materials, including recycled plastics, low-emission fabrics, and eco-friendly foams for seating. Manufacturing plants use renewable energy, and the supply chain is moving toward net zero targets. This means you're not just buying a car, you're supporting a cleaner future. The Golf Plus is expected to become a daily driver's dream. Whether it's the school drop-off, your commute, or a long-distance family trip, it has the tools to handle it all. USB-C ports in every row. Optional wireless charging pad. Generous boot space with underfloor storage. Isofix child seat mounting points. Roof rail options for bikes or cargo carriers. Quick fold rear seats with one-touch operation. It's a car that works as hard as you do. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Volkswagen Golf Plus is shaping up to be a refined, versatile, and digitally advanced compact family car that does almost everything right. It retains the Golf's core identity: fun, practical, stylish, while adding space, modern tech, and electrified options. If you've ever felt the Golf was just a little too small or traditional, this might be your perfect upgrade. For families, professionals, urbanites, and anyone seeking a clever all-rounder, the Golf Plus delivers more of what matters, without the SUV bulk.